Guess what? Look what came in the mail the other day. That's right, my silver YouTube plaque that indicates that I have over 100,000 subscribers. In fact, we've got over 400,000 subscribers, and that's because of you. I want to thank you so much for your likes, your views, your subscriptions, your comments, everything that you do, the support that you give me every single time I post a workout. You guys are amazing, and you guys fuel my passion for giving you workouts. So I want to do, once again, thank you so much for this. I want to do one thing. I want to hook you up right now with my 28-day ab challenge. Absolutely free. These are 6 follow-along ab workouts that you can do after your workout. You can do it in the comfort of your own home, body weight only. So I want you to stop the video, but hold on a second. Click the link anywhere or click the link in the description, sign up, and then come back. But I need a favor from you. Listen, we've got to over 400,000, and I want another 400,000. In fact, I want 1 million, and I need your help. So if you could refer this channel to one person, that's it. Just have them subscribe. I would be so grateful, so grateful. That's all I ask of you. I'm going to continue bringing you workouts. I'm going to continue to bring you the best. All I want you to do is A, just download that 28-day challenge so you can do it, and B, just refer one person who you think will really enjoy these workouts. All right, thanks so much, and let's get started with this workout. I'll see you in a second. Hey ladies and gentlemen, it's Funk Roberts here, and welcome to our Spartan home workout. This workout is a 10 exercise circuit. We're gonna use dumbbells, we're gonna use our body weight, we're gonna get it done. So hopefully you've watched the demo, but if you haven't, we're doing 10 exercises. Each exercise, we're doing 30 seconds of work followed by 30 seconds rest, one after the other for 1 round. After we're done that round, we're gonna rest for 2 minutes, come back, and repeat for a second round. So altogether, it's about a 20-minute workout, 25 with the warm-up and 30 with the stretch. Anyways, we're going with our first exercise, full body burpees, okay? Burpee, no jump, no push-up in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Okay, dumbbell burpees. So get the dumbbell, go back, come back up, stand. There's one, here we go. Okay, so I don't want you to do a push-up yet. It's just back in the thruster, stand up. Breathing. Make sure you breathe through this exercise. Make sure that when you go down, you're squatting down. Then you thrust back. So I'm gonna look from the side. Squat down, thrust back. Try to go as fast as you can now. Good work. Rest for 30 seconds. Our next exercise are hip thrusts. Ab hip thrusts. So we're gonna get down to the ground. And now we're focusing on the abs, the hips, and the glutes. Okay, breathe. So our first exercise, again, we're just starting this workout. If this is the second or third time you're doing this, try to move faster. If this is the first time you're doing this, then just follow me. Try to do as many reps as you can during the 30 seconds. Here we go, ready? Here we go. Up, so bring it back, explode up. Explode. As you explode, I want you to exhale. Good. Exhale. Kick those feet all the way up. Make sure the hips and your butt are off the ground. Keep going. Exhale on that way up. Control the legs as they come down. Don't let them fall down. I want you to control them down. Keep going. Almost there. Good work, ladies. Good work, gentlemen. All right, next exercise, forward lunge with the dumbbells. So let's get back up. Let's get that dumbbell. Really, for this round, I'm just using 15s and 20s. Don't have to go too much heavier than that for now. But if this is your second or third time, you always want to make sure that you're increasing the weight, because this workout is not only about burning calories and fat, but we want to build some muscle. In order to do that, we have to increase the weight, okay? Can't go the same weight. Here we go, forward lunges, body tall, pushing off. Good. So step forward, down, push up. Okay, forward, down, push up. Keep going. Now just let those dumbbells hang at the side. And make sure your core is tight. Engage that core, or else you're gonna fall from one side to the other like I almost did. Good. Step forward, push up. Don't drag that front leg either. Good work, good work. Next up, floor press. So I'm gonna switch to my 20s because now we're hitting the chest. So with this exercise, you should be going heavy. This should be pretty much the heaviest weight you're using should be this exercise right here. And maybe one other one that we're gonna hit afterwards. But every time you do this workout, I want you to increase the weights with this floor press. We're hitting the chest, we're hitting the shoulders, okay, hitting the pecs. We wanna make sure that we have a nice muscular, or lean, right? And toned. Here we go. So this is a little bit too light for me, but as you're pressing, exhale on the way up. Okay, you're pressing straight up over your eyes. Good. Make sure that your your elbows are at a 45-degree angle. Don't have them flaring up or you'll feel that in your shoulders. Good, exhale. Doesn't matter how your feet are, how your legs are. Good work, good work. Again, that's too light for me. Even though I had a lot of reps, that's still too light. I'm gonna wanna go heavier in subsequent workouts. All right, jumping jacks are next. So far we've hit, full body in the first exercise. We've gone lower body, we've gone abs and core, we've gone chest. Now we're going back to cardio, right? We gotta burn some calories during this workout. And again, the intensity is totally up to you. If you wanna get more intense, try to do more reps and more in regards to the weight, right? Keep your core tight. Balls of your feet, okay? Make sure you're in the balls of your feet. Okay, we don't want heaviness. We want to be light. Core tight. Head up. Bounce, and if you can't bounce, you're stepping side to side. But you should be able to do that by the time you're doing these workouts. Okay, next up, reverse dumbbell rows. So let's grab those 20s again. And now when we're rowing, we're gonna hold the dumbbell with the palms facing out. And that's gonna help us to really focus on the lats. We want to have that nice, I know that for us guys, we want those lats. And for ladies, there's a lot of fat that hangs there. The wings, I think you guys call it. So you wanna make sure that we build muscle there so we can burn. So here we go. We're gonna bend over, core's tight, and we're gonna pull towards our belly button. Keep our elbows tight to the body. Knees slightly bent, core tight, butt facing back. Exhaling on the way up, inhaling on the way down. Making sure you bring it all the way down, all the way down. Pull, focus on those lats doing the work. Good work, ladies, good work, gentlemen. All right, remember the lats right here. Okay, next up, we're doing crab toe touch. So we don't need weights for this. So this one, we're gonna be working your shoulders, your triceps. You're gonna feel this in your legs, you're gonna feel this in your butt and your core because of the way we're doing this exercise. And you're gonna need some stability and balance, which you're gonna see. So again, we're working everything here. Up in the crab position, opposite arm, opposite toe to opposite hand. So kick straight up, good. Exhale. Good. Keep going. Try to kick up that foot and the hand at the same time. Okay, we really have to get those shoulders screwed into the ground. We're building strong shoulders, strong arms, strong triceps. Good work. All right, goblet squats. All right, I like this. We're gonna actually do goblet sumo squats, okay? Which is gonna allow us to get the glutes a little bit more. And the adductors and abductors too. So I'm just gonna get set up right now. Oh, excuse me, I want you to do deep inhale, exhale, okay? Feet pressed apart. Grab your dumbbell, hold it up by your chest, and slight bending. So I can't go down too much. As you can see, it's just slightly, right? You're gonna go down as much as you can, but you're gonna see you won't be able to go down as much as you can when you're doing regular squats. Okay, this is a weird feeling actually, but sumo squats are great because we're gonna hit the glutes, squeeze the glutes at the top, but we're getting the adductors and abductors, which are quite hard to get, right? Right here, perfect. Another great area that we need to hit. Now we're gonna go into a plank. Just a regular plank for 30 seconds. Again, we're hitting the core. Breathe deep through your nose, out through your mouth. Deep through your nose, out through your mouth. Let's get to the ground. Again, total body, we're doing this here. So we're just getting it as many reps as possible, but this is round number 1 for us, so we're just getting ready, used to the exercise. Here we go. Let's get in that plank position, hold that plank, and breathe. Just nice and breathe. Okay, here's the thing, do not let your legs sag, do not let your butt sag, I should say. Keep those knees and hips off the ground. Breathing, breathing. Keep the core tight. If you want to do mini pulses, you can. You can do mini pulses. That's all right. You know, that makes it a little bit more dynamic. And finally, we're going to do running on the spot. Last exercise. Good work. You guys are doing great. Again, this is total body. So we're going to do this another round, but we're hitting the full body. So the key here is when you continually do this workout, you're gonna get better, you're gonna move faster, you're gonna lift heavier, right? But now we gotta burn some calories, right? Let's get that calorie burn with running on the spot. Here we go, boom, yeah, that's it. Again, balls of your feet. And when you're running, anytime you're running, I want you to keep your elbows tight to the body. See how tight? My elbows aren't out here. I'm not running like this. I'm running tight to the body. My head's up, and my hands are right by the pocket, right by the pocket. Knees are up. Really drive those knees up. We want to burn. I want you to feel out of breath. Good work. Good work. That's awesome. Okay, that's round 1. Take a 2-minute break, come back, and let's get ready for round number 2.